people keep failing at online survey, not because it doesn't work, but because they keep missing some necessary steps. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your first $20 or £20. Now, this is a video request from one of my subscribers who asked me to teach you guys the necessary tools, like the basic tools you need as a beginner, and also the things you need to do to make your first £20. Now, if this is something you're interested in learning, already know what to do. Stick around and add this knowledge to your wealth of online surveys. In his request, he said, "Thank you so much, ma, for the value in this video. I really appreciate it. Read it." Of course, I always bring you value. And then he said, "Please, can you tell us about the most important basic tools needed to start survey as a beginner, and in order to make at least £20 every month?" Okay, so if you are just starting your survey journey, or you come across any of my videos on any social media platform and you are like, how can I start making money online through paid survey? And now let me tell you this thing, making money online through paid survey is very, very possible. I didn't know it was possible because I usually see a lot of people post about paid survey, but they don't tell you what you need to do to start making money online through paid survey. We don't do that on this channel. We don't do it on my page either. In this channel, you're going to learn the secrets of making money online through paid survey, okay? So if you're new to paid survey, or you've been hearing about paid survey, you've been seeing people making money online through paid survey, and you don't know how they are doing it, you don't know what you need to do to start or to make your first £20, you don't know the tools, you don't know the equipment to have to make money online through paid survey, this video is for you. Stick around. And even if you have been taking paid surveys and you've been having surveys frustration, like screen out, you've not been able to be completing surveys, this video is also for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn one or two things that you will add to the knowledge you already have about paid survey. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is the first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid survey. So if this is something you're interested in learning, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your beautiful comments, like this video, share it to your friends and family so that they will also learn this amazing information. And lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I upload them. And most times I'm live to answer your questions live, like to answer all the questions you want to ask me that you don't have the opportunity to ask me. So turn on the bell notification so that you notify when I'm live, okay? Now with all that being said, let us dive straight to this video so that we'll start learning how to make our first $20 or £20 through paid surveys. First of all, let's talk about the basic tools you need to start paid survey. Okay, now the basic tools you need to start paid survey is just your phone and data. Yes, with just your phone and data, you can start paid survey. But if you want to start making money, like you want to start making good pounds, good dollars, like those of you that want to start international surveys, now the basic equipment you need is proxy or VPN, but not free ones, okay? The one you have to buy. Yes, that's all you need. So now you need three equipment, which is your phone, your data, and your proxy, your paid proxy. That is the basic thing you need, okay? And then you need a good template, okay? I've told you guys in my previous videos, a template is very, very important. You cannot be doing surveys that will pay you good money without having a basic template that will help you remember the things you will answer. You know that most times when surveys disqualify people, it is because your answers are either your answers are inconsistent or you are not truthful with your answer. You answer one thing and in the next survey you answer another thing. When survey companies notice that your answers are inconsistent, you will notice a lot of screen out, and most times you may even lose the account, because when survey companies keep reporting your account to the platform you're working on, they will have no other choice than to report it, because these people, all the things they are doing on that platform is what their partner tells them. Okay, if their partner tells them that they don't want you to take their surveys, you will not take it. So this is why a template is very, very important, because with that template, if you say you are 37 years, you are 37 years. If you say, like, For example, Nice Surveys. If you want to start surveys, if you click any available surveys in Nice Survey, they will tell you that look at the age you told us. So if you change it, our partners may not pay you. So a template is very, very important. By the time you've gotten your phone, you've gotten your data, you've gotten your proxy to do international surveys, foreign surveys, the next thing you need is a very good template. A very good template. Do not answer surveys from your head. So these are the basic things that you need to start paid survey. Okay, the basic tools you need to start paid survey is just your phone, your data, your proxy, and your template if you want to make your first $20. Okay, and before we even go further in this video, I want to show you some of the screenshots of people that are making more than $20. Like for example, this particular guy, in this month of April, I put the date, I don't know if it will show, on the 18th of April, he showed us a screenshot of what he has been able to make from Pure Profile surveys. From the 1st of April to the 18th of April, he has been able to make $190 something from Pure Profile. Okay, but you as a beginner, you should not use that to measure your growth. You understand? You remember you want to make $20 in 1 month. You understand? So this is just to tell you that it is possible for you to make even $50. It is possible for you to make $100 in 1 month. Okay, but for you to be able to, you know, start making, accumulate the money that will get to this kind of amount, you need to do these 3 things that I have told you. Have your phone, have a good network, have a good strong proxy, and then have your template for that survey you're taking. This is another screenshot of somebody that have been able to make $60 just in the 2nd or 3rd week of April. Now, this is another screenshot of somebody that has made her first $100 withdrawal. You know, these guys are working on Pure Profile and they are working on Australian surveys. Then this is my student who was able to make £20 from from Surveillama. You know, I'm laughing because this Surveillama is a very, very, like, they pay you very little, but in her first 2 weeks of being in my you know, of being my student, she was able to make £20 from Surveillama. And when I told her, when she approached me and said she wants to withdraw the money, I was like, okay, because she doesn't have a PayPal, let's push this money to £22. And I posted this on my Facebook page, and people were like, it's not possible for somebody to make £20 from Surveillama in weeks. Like, it's impossible. You know, and somehow I started doubting, I started believing them, because I myself, I'm working in Surveillama, but because of the little money they pay, I just leave them and go and work on other sites. And I just told my students, okay, let's push it to £22. And you know that under 1 day, this lady was able to accumulate another £2.60 something. This is the screenshot on your screen, and you know that's how I believe that, okay, this particular survey site is favoring her. So as somebody that wants to make your first $20 or £20 in 1 month, all you need to do is to discover the particular survey site that's going to work for you, the one that is favoring you. Okay, because I usually give them up to 5 sites to try to work, to see the one that will favor them, because it's not possible for all the survey sites to favor you. There will be one that may not favor you. Like I was doing QME survey, and almost all my followers want to do QME. When I was doing Nice Survey, almost all of them want to do Nice Survey, and they will always come back. Most of them will come back and say, oh, how are you doing it? How are you doing it? But then there are surveys that they themselves are doing that when I try to do it, it doesn't favor me. So this is one secret that you need to understand. Like, people are doing Pure Profile now, they are making a lot of money, but I am not doing it. Not like I don't know how to do Pure Profile, but Pure Profile did not favor me. Instead of me to start lamenting and say, oh, this site is not working, it's paying them, it's not paying me, all I need to do is to discover the particular site that will favor me and focus on it. You understand? Now, as somebody that wants to make your first $20 or £20 in 1 week, it means you are a beginner, you are just starting. Okay, all you need to do is to discover the site that is paying you, even if it's 50 cents, 20 cents, 15 cents, 30 cents. You start accumulating them. Before you know, you will be able to accumulate their threshold, and you'll be able to withdraw. And finally, before I round up this video, I want to tell you that paid survey is a very legit remote job, and it's paying. But recently, paid survey has been very difficult. If you are just starting paid survey for the first time, do not make the mistake of doing it on your own. Look for a survey partner. Look for a survey friend. Somebody that both of you can be putting heads together, asking yourself questions. If you don't have a survey community for yourself, you can follow me on Facebook. Every time I drop anything about paid survey, there are always a lot of people under the comment section to share their knowledge, share their experience about survey. You can make my comment section your community. You can also make the comment section of the videos I upload on this channel your community. Ask questions, drop your experience, share your experience with surveys that you're doing, or your frustrations with surveys on the comment section, and interact with people that are on the comment section. Surveys is becoming very difficult these days, so you don't want to do it on your own. Okay, and again, lastly, I coach. Okay, if you are just starting, you don't know your left from your right, you don't even know the first things to do to start making money online through paid survey, you want me to coach you, you can send me a DM on Facebook, or drop it here on the comment section of this video that you want me to coach you. Okay, and I will tell you what to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching, and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.